Here is a KDK 9-inch desk fan from the 80s. Same badge as the Edison fan, but with a KDK sticker. KDK personal use oscillating fan. I don't know that I've ever seen that particular wording used before on a fan, personal use. I guess I've seen personal fan used as a descriptor, but personal use is a little different. So that's interesting. It's got the 2-speed rotary. I kind of like how they have the speeds mapped out here. It's almost like it's inspired by a wiring diagram or something. It looks kind of nerdy. Somebody put some thought into that design. I can appreciate that. So little touches like that make me appreciate these fans, among others, but these are some of my favorite fans of all time. Probably my favorite 9-inch fans, if you haven't figured that out already. AC electric fan type 09001. Draws 0.43 amps. KDK, made in Japan. Japan. See how this one runs? Started on low. Yeah, it did this last time I ran it. It just had kind of a slow start, as a lot of these fans do. Seems to be going pretty good now, but it's pretty quiet. I don't think it's quite up to speed yet, even for the low speed. I don't know. I don't think it's quite there yet. Let's turn it up to high, see what happens. You can hear it gradually climbing, slowly but surely. The Panasonic 9200 model, the brown one, that one does the exact same thing. What's weird is on the little oscillation bracket that connects the motor to the base of the fan, it says 9200 on it, and it has 9200 stamped on that little bracket. So I wonder if this must be like an identical motor to the one on that fan, which would make sense. It behaves the same way. I think the motors on all of these fans are basically the same, but there are some very subtle differences. Panasonic 9100 and the Edison Deluxe fan run differently from this one and the 9200 Panasonic. Those fans just seem to have a little more get up to them. They run a little faster, they're louder, they move more air. This one and the brown Panasonic, the 9200, they just don't seem to be quite as aggressive, and they're much quieter, which isn't a bad thing. We'll go back to low on the oscillation. That little worm gear back there, the oscillator is making some noise. I'd have to take that apart later and find out what that's all about. Runs really smooth otherwise. Coast down. Not bad. Pretty sharp looking fan too. KDK personal use oscillating fan. Thank you for watching.